Okay, so today's going to be a very quick video. I'm going to show you I can make YouTube shorts using Adobe Premiere. Very simple, and there's not really much else to say, but if you guys do like editing, anything Adobe Premiere, I do a bunch of how to edit like videos. I've done a TGF one, I've done a Golden Barrel one, I plan to do a lot more, so feel free to check them out. But yeah, here are the settings, and let's get straight into it. I have just made a short that I've just uploaded. Here's my short. It was just a little snippet of the TGF video to try and, maybe get some people to that. Now, the way I made it vertical like this, I will show you. So first you want to go File, go to New, go down to Sequence. Then you want it to be digital SLR, 1080p, 30 frames a second is the best quality you can get. Then you want to go to Settings. You want to put in the actual video, you want to make this 1080 and you want to make the other one 1920, and that switches it around basically. And then that's pretty much all you want to do, and then it will give you this fresh new sequence. Doesn't matter what you put on, but it will come up in this format. Now you can upload it however you like. Now when you export though, you want to obviously export it normally, but you want to make sure you have this setting on maximum render quality and have VBR 2 pass, so you can get that extra quality that it will give you for phone users. And that's pretty much it. That's how you export and how you create YouTube shorts on Adobe Premiere.